operation on the given basis. Here you add, multiply, um, divide, and subtract. All the questions are in the same question number 7. First question is add a given basis here. All right, and remember that this all digits are less than 7. Okay, has to be, because in the base 7 you can use digit less than 7, 0 to 6. Okay, therefore all digits are less than 7, you find. Okay, if you add 2 and 4 you get 6. Okay, all right, 6. But 6 is fine in base 7, right? Because 6 is less than 7, you find. Okay, 3 plus 0, which is 3, is less than 7, you're fine. 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, since you add 6 plus 6, you get 12, which is bigger than 7. Therefore, by the time you need to convert that 12 into base 7, therefore here's the thing, need to convert 12 to base 7, because as long as you add it, the sum going to be more than the base, or could be equal to the base. Then you have to convert back to the base by dividing by base. Okay, therefore to convert 12 to 7, you divide 12 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7, remainder is 5. Therefore 12 is 1, 5 in base 7. What is that? 1, 5. Therefore 12 is 1, 5. Therefore basically you put 5 here because of this 5, and put 1 as a carryover in the top. Therefore you're gonna get put 5 here and 1 in the top of this 4. Make sense? Again, 6 plus 6 is 12, but you cannot put 2 here and 1 over there. You have to convert 12 to the base 7, because 12 is bigger than the base. Okay, now 12 gonna be 1, 5. If I put the 5 here, 1 in the top. Okay, now next step, you add 5 plus 4 and 1. 5 plus 4, 9, plus 1, 10. Again, the 10 is bigger than 7, and you have to do the same thing. You convert 10 to base 7. Same thing, convert 10 to base 7. How you do that? You divide this 10 by the 7. Like you did here, you divide 12 by 7. Divide 10 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Remainder is 3. Therefore, 10 is 1, 3 in base 7, right? Then what do you put here? You put 3 and bring 1 over here. That makes sense? Now 1 plus 1, which is 2. Therefore, if you add this one, the sum going to be 2, 3, 5, 3, 6 in base 7. But notice that every digits here are less than 7. That's why we want. Let's do this division B. 3 to 3 base 5, add to 4 to 1 base 5. Okay, now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is fine. Okay, now 2 plus 2, 4. That is fine. Okay, now 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, 7 is not okay here. You cannot write 7 because 7 is bigger than the base. So you can convert 7 to base 5. How you do that? You divide by base. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5, remainder is 2. 1, 2. Therefore 7 is in fact 1, 2 in base 5. Make sense? You cannot put 7 here, but you have to put 1, 2 in base 5. Therefore 1, 2, 4, 4 base 5 is answer. For part C, you can finish yourself. I just did 2 division. I think you can finish yourself. For part C, answer is going to be 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2. For part Z, also you can finish yourself. You divide, you add first 2. Whatever you get the answer, you add with the next one, okay, in base 2. And your answer must be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 base 2, okay. I'm not going to do that again. You know how to add it. I just did 2 questions. I think you do know how to add it. That is supposed to be the answer for J, okay.